Good afternoon. Welcome to the Enchanted Quilt and our unboxing of our inventory that we got in this week. We didn't get too much, just a few boxes. Just a reminder, tomorrow we will be celebrating Local Quilt Shop Day. I've had people ask me if all the shops are doing this, and only if you're a member of Fab Shop and you signed up to do it, do you get all the information to do it. So I don't know who is involved as far as shops that are doing it, but not everybody's doing it. Okay, this is a new line called Coco, and this is by Cherie Moy. I can't say her name, I'm terrible with the French, but you can see this is really a pretty line. We got the charm packs, the jelly rolls, and I'll thumb through that here in a minute so you can see it. And we got the layer cakes. Okay. Let's see what these are. Blues, yellows. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Greens. I like that print. And some pink. And all the different blues. That's really a pretty line. Okay. Let's see what's in this one. Now at Local Quilt Shop Day tomorrow, we're going to be playing Plinko. We're going to have a scavenger hunt, find the golden bobbin, with prizes. We're going to have 3 sessions on that. Okay, look, we've got a new one with 2.5-inch strips called Start with Strips. This is a new book. This one's called Daydreams 2. This looks good if you have a big print, focus print right there. And then we've got Around We Go by Deb Heatherly. We were out of the 8.5-inch woolly mats. I think we've got one of the 13 and one of the 17, but I do know they're all back ordered still. We've got the Vintage Christmas. We've had this before. I got another one in by Lori Holt. If you're a Lori Holt fan, all her books are wonderful because they have the spiral back. Lots and lots of snowmen. Let's see that up close. Let's see what else is in here. I haven't even looked at this. I know it's Christmas, and I know we just had Christmas, but you got to plan ahead, right? Okay. Oh, and that gingerbread man cute. And mittens. Looks like a dog. And these are all pieced. And aren't they? Are they pieced or applique? Are they pieced? Okay. All right. These were on back order for a while. Finally got these in. These are those little, they call them folding mini boxes. If you haven't seen them, let's see if I can get one out. Probably not. Okay, there it is. And they open up, and then you take the bottom and you push it down, and then they have these little elastic pockets on the sides that stretch. But then they also have these inserts that you can put in them. Here's what they look like. You open them up and they slide right down in, and it gives you little sections. So if you wanted to put different things in different sections. We've got these in the big ones too. Okay, we've got, I think this is the Clover Air Erasable. Where's the Air Erasable? Yeah, the air erasable markers. Okay. That one's kind of heavy. looks like we're replacing some fabric and getting some more in. It's like another one of these handmade boxes. All right, this is Shadow Play. This is a red. We did not have this color before, but we did order it for a customer. 2 more bolts of the Uncorked. That's a pretty, kind of a salmon-y color. And then a navy blue. It's really rich looking. And this is a replacement. This is Essential Dots. Let's see what this is called. It's like a sage Essential Dot. And we got this gray. It's called Weave. It's a line of basics from Moda. It's the gray. We saw a lot of that. And this is a replacement of one of our basics. And it's just a Bella Solid Royal Blue. So that's all we got in today, or this week. All right, time for our drawing. We have Miss Quilty here. If we can get them all tossed around here. All right, there we go. Debbie LaBelle, you won our $10 Facebook Live gift certificate. I will get that ready and pop that in the mail to you next week. And hopefully we'll see everybody tomorrow at Shop Local Quilt Day. Thank you.